Hey there, this is Ate resetting FRP on VIVO V21 using BFT tool on my PC. After opening your tool, select MediaTek, top left corner of your screen. Then come over here and select VIVO V4. Then come down here and select Series. Select Reset FRP. Then turn off your phone and connect your USB cable. After you see checking login success, on some phones you need to press and hold the volume up and the volume down button before you connect your cable. You have to also note that your internet connection is supposed to be active on your PC throughout this process. You have to wait until this process is completed, and then you see FRP reset success. Okay, the process is completed. Your phone will automatically turn on. If it does not turn on automatically, you turn it on. So you can plug out the USB cable now. Make sure you disconnect any internet connected to this phone before you proceed. Okay, click on the start button. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, click on setup offline. Next. Yeah, I think from here you know what to do from here. So just follow the procedures till the end. So the Google account has been successfully removed from your device. Yo, congratulations. You can subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss our next uploads. You can also leave us a comment if you have any difficulties resetting your FRP, or you have any difficulties unlocking your phone. You can leave us a comment below. We'll get back to you and see how we can assist you. Thank you.